Hello, my name is Naga Pranav Patcha and I'm 13 years old and I'm from Tanarata International School. I have a passionate interest in acquiring the knowledge of studying different coding languages, not limited to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Additionally, I like to swim as I feel it releases stress and helps focus your thinking.
I have chosen the team Save the Environment and named my project as API, Animal Protection Initiative, as I'm a conservationist at heart and I work towards the welfare of animals. I believe that wildlife helps balance fragile ecosystems, so saving them in turns rescue flora and helps liberate Mother Earth from a predicament. So let's take a look at my enthralling project. Using the intricate and diverse coding blocks, I have spun together a tale that explains to the viewers the importance of animals in Earth's delicate terrain, the fatal threats they are facing due to appalling human and natural atrocities, the solutions through which we can rescue them from their inevitable fall into the pit of misfortune. Instead of just boringly listing information, I have added some quirky sound effects and a multitude of different animated sprites. Apart from the regulars, I have also included few additional features. Firstly, I've implemented a text-to-speech narrator that supposedly reads out what the sprites are speaking. This is because I want my animation to be accessed and viewed by people with visual difficulties as well. Secondly, the inclusion of a multilingual translator that supports over 48 different languages allows users to type in their preferred lingo. This is because I want my animation to be accessed by people worldwide, spreading my strong message globally. According to Malaysian statistics, 92 Malayan tapirs, a species of tapir only found in the Malaysian peninsula, have been killed over the last 5 years through road accidents, and this number has seen an unprecedented rise. As I wanted to put an end to that misery, I devised my own unique solution of an artificially intelligent tapir crossing sign with an installed trap camera. The Malayan tapir is detected by the attached trap camera using an amazing pictoblocks extension called Teachable Machine. This machine is trained with almost 180 image samples of adult Malayan tapirs and their juvenile counterparts. So, when this animal is detected in the vicinity, an alert sound is played. Oncoming drivers are then alarmed and thus slowed down gradually so that the Malayan tapir can cross the road and into the forest beyond. Here is a quick demonstration. Not limited to the Malayan tapir, this solution can be used for a wide variety of animals depending on the region. This whole technique has been omitted of technical jargon and has been animated in an unconventional style to instill empathy in young minds and hearts. Before I end my marvelous presentation, I would like to show my code of the main sprite, the boy character. So as you can see, I have ordered the blocks in an orderly fashion and I've added some exclusive pictoblocks comments in order for the audience to know what I'm trying to represent and for me to know what each block does. In addition, I added a block from each category mentioned here, from control, events, sound, and etc. So you can see that the code is quite long, and to minimize the length of the code, I have added few repeat functions as shown over here, like for the walk animations and the talk animations. Now that I have showcased my code, let's take a quick look at my animation, which will be demonstrated in two different languages, English and Bahasa Melayu.
Hey, I'm Pranav. Have you ever wondered about the importance of fauna to the ecosystem? They play a vital role in seed dispersal, forest regeneration, and promote plant diversity. But, did you know that human activities are gradually destroying them? Logging destroys habitats. Forest fires cut down on food supply. Illegal poaching diminishes the population. And some are captured for cruel entertainment. If animals are dying because of these actions, Then how can we rescue them from their misery?
I can help you solve that problem. Stop the purchase of products made from animal body parts. Take part in voluntary and charity organizations such as the WWF. Advertise the animal's plight in public areas such as theaters. And finally, practice a sustainable lifestyle not only to save animals, but the environment as well.
Gee, thanks. I know a lot more now. Wait a second. Do you hear that? Why are you crying, baby Tapir? And where is your family?
Hello there. I have come in search of a soul that can rescue me. My parents and siblings have been roadkilled.
Let me see. I think I have just discovered a solution. I am going to construct a digitally intelligent Animal Crossing sign. That helps prevent roadkill. As you have just witnessed, the Animal Crossing sign will be installed with a trap camera, identifying animals using Teachable Machine. When the animal is in the detectable radius, an alert sound is played. Thus, oncoming drivers will be warned that an animal is in the vicinity, and slow down gradually. I hope my solution benefits animals around the world. Thank you, and let us unite to restore the reign of wildlife. Hey, saya Pranav, Naga on the Trafficker. Tentang Kaphentingan Fauna Kapata Ecosystem? Marika Mamainkan Paranan Penting Dalam Pinai Ibran Benai. Penjan and Simula Hutan, Dan Mingalakan Kapel Bagayan Tumbuhan. Tapi, Taka Unda. Bahawa Activishi Manusia Sekara Biransha Answer Mamasna Kenya? Tambalakan Mamasnakan Habitat. Tabakaran Hutan Mangarangkan Bakalan Makanan. Tamboruan Haram Mangarangkan Populacy. Dan Nada Yangai Tank Kapun to Taburan Yang Kajum. Jiga Haiwan Madi Karana Tindakan Ini. Maga Bagay Manaka Kita Dapat Minyela Madkan Marika Dari Kesing Zaran Marika?
Sayabole Membantu Unda Menye Elisicon Masala Itu. Hentakan Pembali and Produk Yang Diaper Bater Pada Bahagian Badan Haiwan. Mangambil Bahagian Dalam Organizes Isu Karela Danamal Seperti WWF. Iklongkan Nazib Haiwan Itu di Kawasan Awam Seperti Teeter. Danakernya, Amalkan Gaya Hidup Mampanbukan Sahaja Untuk Menyelamatkan Haiwan, Tetapi Juga Alam Sekitar.
G. Taramakasi, Saya Tahu Banyak Lagi Sekarang. Tunggu sebentar, adakah Anda mendengar itu? Kenapa wak menangis, baby Tapir? Dan di manakah keluarga Anda?
Apa kabar di sana? Saya datang untuk mencari jiwa yang boleh menyelamatkan saya. Ibu bapa dan adik beradik saya telah dibunuh di jalan raya.
Biar saya lihat. Saya rasa saya baru sahaja menemui penyelidikan. Saya akan membina dan lintasan haiwan pintar digital yang membantu mencegah pembunuhan jalan raya. Seperti yang baru Anda saksikan. Papan tanda lintasan haiwan akan dipasang dengan kamera perangkap. Mengenal pasti haiwan menggunakan mesin belajar. Apabila haiwan itu berada dalam radius yang boleh diakses, bunyi amaran dimainkan. Oleh itu, pemandu yang akan datang akan diberi amaran bahwa terdapat haiwan di sekitar. Dan perlahan-perlahan lain. Saya harap penyelesaian saya memberi manfaat kepada haiwan di seluruh dunia. Terima kasih, dan marilah kita bersatu untuk memilih pemerintahan hidup yang liar.
Thank you, and together we will stop roadkill.